Hi, everyone. I'm Sue Hanley, and I'm really excited to invite you to join me in my workshop on information architecture at TechCon Seattle in June. Why should you come? Well, we're going to talk about really important topics to help you get and design a great intranet. Best practices for gathering stakeholder outcomes, how to organize your content for both better usability and to support AI agents that are going to take your intranet to the next level. We'll cover navigation and how to make sure that you get navigation that makes sense. Everything will be all practical with tips and guidance that you can immediately apply. And most importantly, you'll be able to connect with other professionals and experts and build valuable relationships. TechCon events are really kind of unique in that regard, in that this is an opportunity for you to connect and learn in both group and one on one conversations. It's a great community. I'm super proud to be part of it, and I'd really love to welcome you into that community and to have you join me at my session. By the end of the workshop, you'll have tools and knowledge to get you started in your intranet IA and AI journey. Create a great experience that will grow with your organization for years to come. Hope to see you there.